yeah, this is just an understanding of like what I was saying before that I didn't get to explain about why they would end up getting this kind of zodiac sign as an ascendant when it comes to their first house, because of certain influences based on how they lived their life in the previous life. A lot of people believe that you can just live however you want and everything's going to be fine, and don't understand that in reality, whatever you're doing in this life is also affecting you long term. Long term doesn't mean till your deathbed, it means after, right? So a lot of people say this idea that everything that's here you just leave behind and you just leave with yourself alone. Yeah, if you're talking about like this cushion, yeah, it gets left behind. But if we're talking about, you know, our actions and how we tend to decide to live our life, the kind of mentality that we have during this life, then yeah, no, that comes with us. That influences and affects how and what kind of life we choose in the next life. And trust me, when we leave the body, we're not prioritizing, let me have a rich, happy life only. No, when we're like out of our body and we're with no ego and no self-identity, we're looking for whatever is going to perfectly allow us to evolve and allows us to expand as spiritual beings. And sometimes that's not always nice when we're in a body and we don't remember why we chose this in the first place. Sometimes it can be insufferable. Okay, so yes, the things that we do in this life do greatly affect us in other lives as well. It's not something where it's, oh, you leave everything behind and you start off fresh. As per memory, you start off fresh. But the influence that's creating this now new, fresh identity that you have in this life is still being influenced from your previous lives till now.